Welcome to the 8 Palm Jumeirah, a residential building on the west crescent of the Palm. It's a Miami-inspired development, and today we're going to give you a tour of the Duplex Penthouse. The penthouse is nearly 5,000 square foot, 4 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms. We've got the double height ceiling in the living area. We've got dual aspect views. It comes fully furnished with a very bespoke Spanish brand. And I'm now going to take you outside to the balcony. This is a magnificent large terrace just off the master living area on the ground floor. We've got the incredible views. It's a panoramic 180 degrees view. We've got the Marina on one side, Burj Al Arab all the way to downtown. Let me take you the rest of the ground floor. So on the ground floor, we have the living room. We have a beautiful show kitchen. A second kitchen, what we call the chef kitchen, where we would do the cooking. And the master bedroom on the left-hand side. All the rooms in the apartment, on the ground floor and the first floor, all benefit with the incredible sea views here. Let me now take you upstairs to show you the rest of the apartment. Upstairs we have the second lounge area, which benefits from windows on both sides because it is a dual aspect apartment. On the other side, we get the sunset. And again, if you want the evening sun and you want to sunbathe after 3 o'clock, then you'd be coming out here. So on the top floor, we've got a second terrace area. If you like your evening sun or afternoon sun, this is perfect because this is when we're going to get the sun after 2 o'clock. We get the sunset just in the far corner here as well. We've got these incredible views even in the afternoon. Now let me take you into the master bedroom. The penthouse comes with 4 generously sized bedrooms. We've got 1 bedroom downstairs and 3 upstairs. Out of the 4 bedrooms, 3 of them are master suites. Every single bedroom comes fully furnished as is, and you've got the incredible views towards the Marina skyline here as well. When you buy a property at the 8, it's not just the apartment that you're buying the lifestyle. You have a beautiful pool, you have a pristine private beach, you have a gym inside, you've got a hotel opening up soon here with restaurants. It's got the full package. So if you're interested in living at the 8, drop me a message.